ICLR stock, ICON, is a global contract research organization that provides outsourcing clinical development and commercialization sources and services for the pharmaceutical, biotechnology, and medical device industries. ICON will benefit from a future lower interest rate environment because biotech and pharmaceuticals can borrow money for cheaper to fund trial runs to bring new medicines to market. Icon helps biotech companies with this process. Icon helps recruit patients to try the medicine, analyze the data to see if the drug is statistically significant at lowering the illness that the patients are fighting, and assist companies through complex regulatory approval and market process. Some investors are worried that AI will take over Icon's business. However, I want to highlight that it is hard to get drugs past the finish line and have them approved by the FDA. I believe AI can instead help accelerate the data analysis, and thus Icon can assist even more trials and more biotech pharma customers in the future. You can easily go to udomo.com and visualize ICLR stocks, historic financials. Here we have the historic stock chart. Look at how ICLR used to be at 324 per share, now all the way down to the 100s. I think there's an opportunity in Icon stock here. I have net income pulled up for ICLR going up year over year for the most part. I can also see revenue and gross profit. I can continue to scroll down and see the balance sheet of ICLR, the free cash flow for the company year over year. Now, here is where it gets interesting. We get the valuation and industry average growth rates for the company. I think ICLR stock is undervalued because ICLR revenue year over year growth was 7% compared to just 6% in the industry average. I could also look at net income and see the same result here. 35% net income growth for Icon compared to just 2% for the industry average. So here we have a company growing revenue faster, growing net income faster, but their price to sales is lower. Icon only 0.6 while the industry average trades at 3.4. Same with earnings. 11.9 Icon price to earnings, 32 average industry average price to earnings. Same with the price to free cash flow. So we have the industry average growth rates less than Icon. Icon's growing faster than the industry, while the price to sales, earnings, and free cash flow multiples are trading at a discount. I think this is a dislocation in Icon stock, resulting in a potential asymmetric opportunity to be long on ICLR stock.